Mr. Bones, Isa Yebisa, Mikmul asked me, looking from the entertainment point of view, entertainment aspect, was it the right thing to be done?
It's good we are looking at it from that side because you see the conversation out there. I'll say take a different twist, and what my to me the purpose for which we should actually take the discussion to. But one thing is I did come who say they make me say open endorsement for a product or a service. You pay monies to these entertainment people, no. So post you cry. I know Bellucci and the likes the NYs and other things. So post you on his portal. It comes with money. Visit to Rwanda is there. And we all know how much they are investing into that thing for it to be on the JC's amount for the project in Rwanda. Rwanda, by statistics, Omunya bear $318 million from investing in those JCs. No. Ghana, beyond the return, your investment, meaning to do that investment of Rwanda, but the first year of return, no, you over $1 billion. It tells you say you say you pay attention to a beboyen as a mind. But I know very well say be because and akushifu adwuma and then that kind of thing. And no nama amount for your judgmental about the ekoso no. Mikmil sebe obaya on suit and tie nti na o nika na wakɔ Flagstaff House ɛno na kɔyɛ issue say and I yɛmfa nika ɛnkɔ Flagstaff House sebe a great people omoba Ghana hanumu somebody like Kendrick Lamar, Jay-Z and the likes omoba who the lifestyle that they live. J. Cole ɛkɔ White House no share you find that share inter also Kendrick Lamar ni Obama ti wedding komo share the normal nema I don't know that kind of idea na as ye bibi ama as people no because so be share ataria first of all you who be na ye na ajaje no every rasta man be no be o carry dreadlocks be a she
Isa
sana Ghana for dwene enti minim say Bellucci muni ada dem so mo she pa. But on say asem no kra ne say enye the look no broni be share your input, your contribution, what you can do as a person, not how you look. Enunti kroma no mo enko yie nyina eyomo mo hye suit and tie no ene edi ewu krono ekọ kroma no mo ekọ so kroma nyina hwehwem na hwa ade
say o kakasa kwa mbezo be koni street
kasa kwa. Look at the so-called crimes huge to a mine na ye kasi ya bo mine krono pan ya kasi ya bo mine krono ya na omo hye omo ye rasta na bo mine krono no people in suit and tie sometimes who omo kra who fan susu omo but ye too judgmental to the extent to say sabe obi appear ya then we actually fire ya ko dem so be konfo because adan or na shows ebia the team onunu mu and we form these opinions about people. But Mameka Azimicho, when Sonny Badu was coming into Ghana, na Sonny Badu as an artist na nichimi eguso onunum up until now silent community your artists are mu free amanone ba Ghana hanoma we accept them from where they are coming from. Now for moto nyoma this man, let me find question. This man, this American gospel artist behind the international.
Green, something green.
Travis Green.
Travis Green, yeah.
How does he look? Is he a criminal?
No, not at all.
Kirk Franklin, how does he look? Is he a criminal?
Not at all.
Because unim, R. Kelly bought gospel. Yeah, I saw them. But we hate him for how he looks. But we don't hate it. A mentality. We must relegate that into the background. It is killing us. We are seeing people in suit and tie as people of certain class B. And to be say, Pacho, presidency, is there any official dressing code for presidency? Okoha.
Well, I don't say.
Pacho, if we have a official per Ghanaian definition of official idea. And so we're frantema because our cultural values are different from that of UK and US. Who frantema and now you're official, and now we share African printer and now you're official, and now share suit and tie and now you're official. Because we need enlightenment. We are kept in the dark for long. Or maybe a we talk about digitization. We are trying to be there, but we still want to live yesteryears. The mindset is so wrong. I don't see anything wrong with how he appeared. I will see something wrong with how you appear and what you carry. Because how you appear must send a certain message that is appealing to certain people. And, pop culture is like that. And that is how they live. And we wouldn't want McMill, who is a representation of what he stands for and what has made him now, to come and change all of a sudden because he's in Ghana. And till at the end of the year, if only influential and as only influencer, and why would everybody take it on? The international portals, the media houses, everybody is talking about it. It means that what he apologized unequivocally about the fact, say, one, now on only the he hasn't been exposed to that thing for his 30 years in the States and all that, because the media didn't show that part of Africa. You know how the Western media almost can't defy him. And he actually felt said there's an opportunity to project one or say I do 2 months. I see him and then they say, yeah, man, a music video, but he actually sought for say ocha video of which baby ocha buy is allowed. We've seen inner corridors of the presidency now. Yeah, can one say security and then you online now say anywhere and now president in office squad baby all that crowd or any online. So what is the security or the protocol breach here? Is it because adio and so no the freestyle only madibako? Because no all start a freestyle no. It wasn't his intent to make it a music video, but so be they will put it together videos. Be near that I can do something with this one because pictures of the scenes and what video ni mu nyina din kan ba out in picture form and sana video yiba. It means that they took pictures of those scenes, no nim say pictures and a me short videos be. But at a point I realized no, Charlie, so freestyle when me starting or hona na me let me add on. Na me for videos be a cock so fancy shame. Idea generation. Or generate idea, not even as a time maybe an old child and but not side being in it. But or a creative person, you call board tell me, okay, come on, I come on. Oh, like let me just throw it out there to throw more light onto this kind of thing. So ill intent. And I'm my politicized BBR. Meanwhile, maybe say who say politics na no. And then some amount for canon. Has it been able to sell beyond the return more than what this gentleman has done for us?
Okay. And that's Mr. Bond for you throwing, bringing in a lot of questions for people out there.